How to pay Lazada using Ggives. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to pay Lazada using Ggives. First, open the Lazada application on your mobile device. Browse through the app and select the product you wish to buy. Tap on the product to view its details. Once you've decided on the product, tap the Add to Cart button. You can continue shopping or proceed to your cart. Tap on the cart icon. Review the items in your cart to make sure you have everything you want. Tap on the Checkout button. You'll be directed to the checkout page. Enter the recipient's name. Provide the phone number for delivery contact. Select your region, city, district, and sub-district. Enter the street or building name where the delivery will be made. Include the unit or floor number if applicable. Double-check all the information for accuracy. Tap on Save to store your shipping details. You will now see the payment options available. Select Ggives as your payment method. You might see promotions like Pay with Dana and get 50% off instantly. Make sure to take advantage of any discounts available. Follow the prompts to complete the payment using Ggives. Confirm your payment details and submit your order. Once you have completed these steps, you will receive a confirmation of your purchase, and your order will be processed for delivery. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified of new videos. See you in the next one.